Tesla new software update starts rolling out. Tesla has started rolling out software version 2024.20, which features several improvements to the adaptive headlights, among plenty of other things. Last week, we reported the changes in an article that discussed the advantages of the adaptive matrix headlights, along with new gaming features and some HVAC fixes. The HVAC update helps with the Cybertruck. Tesla adds 2 awesome new features with recent software update. Headlights adapt for curves. The headlights on Tesla vehicles will now adapt to curves in the road ahead, helping increase visibility and safety. The update helps drivers in the US, Canada, Mexico, Puerto Rico, and Korea. Adaptive headlights improvements vehicles with matrix LED headlights. Additionally, adaptive headlights will also now adapt for curves in the road ahead, but will now illuminate more during highway driving. This is an especially cool feature, as most people are not able to utilize headlights at night on freeways because of the frequency of oncoming traffic. Tesla Matrix LED headlights will dim certain pixels to maintain visibility for drivers while not blinding those on the other side of the road. Beach Buggy Supercharger Racing. Superchargers will have leaderboards for the Beach Buggy racing game in the Tesla Arcade. HVAC improvements. Read more here. The auto functionality for air conditioning will now cool down the cabin quicker and more efficiently. The vehicle will also better regulate the high-voltage battery temperature to improve charging performance at superchargers. The air condition will now be less noticeable and quieter for the Cybertruck. Headlights adapt for curves. US, CA, Mix, PR, KR headlights now adapt for curves in the road ahead of you. Source, reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.